Man, it's been a good minute since I made a video, but as you can see, I'm almost 100% with my injury. So I've been working again and I've been grinding, I got to get that bread back, so I haven't been able to drop any videos, but now kind of settling back in, trying to get into a rhythm and, try to figure everything out. So I got a 2-for-1 for you guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. Shout out to Nike for the easy unboxing. Get that joint out the way. As you can see, we got that Jordan 3 box. Caught these on a restock. Size 12, per usual. I definitely like the OG 3 boxes, man. A lot of people don't care about the box because you don't wear the box. But it's not bad to have something to look forward to aside from the shoe. And this will be my first time seeing either one of these like in person. So whew. Whew. Okay. Boom, you got the Fire Red 3s. You got that Nike Air hang tag. Nike Air on the back. But the leather is surprisingly soft. Wow. I was expecting like a stiff, 3 leather, but let me see if you can see that tumble. Look at the tumble leather on these joints. You can see it there, like, dang, these joints are soft. The OG Fire Reds, these aren't the Fire Reds that I grew up on. A lot of people that are watching this, you probably grew up on the same pair I'm referring to. I'll probably put the picture up here somewhere. But the elephant print is blacked out. But seeing these in hand though, this elephant print is darker than I thought it was going to be. The quality control isn't the best. I got something over here. But, it is what it is. And by the time you see this video, I'm pretty sure these will restock again. So if you haven't gotten a pair yet, you have plenty of chances. Before the year is out, if you really want a pair and you don't have one yet, you're going to cop. But yeah, that's the Fire Red 3, not too much to it. I know you've seen these a million times since I'm late, but it's all good. Let's go ahead and get into the next shoe. So boom, we have an Adidas pickup, and a lot has happened since I made my last video. So a lot of controversy surrounding the brand as well as this shoe. And my initial impression or whatever, thoughts and all that, I'll link the video right there so you can check it out. But in the video I said I would definitely try to get my hands on the pair just to see in hand how they stack up to the the competitor, or the knockout version, if you will. Or this is the knockout version of the particular shoe. But upon further research, I'll go ahead and put this picture right here. This particular silhouette is like a this particular silhouette is like an updated version of this old model, but we all know nobody was doing this until Yeezy. So initial thought, as you can see, I'm not mad at these. They won't replace the foam runner for me personally, but I know a lot of people will go ahead and jump ship. Like, it's not a bad looking shoe. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I didn't know how I would like these in person, but it's not bad. I got the black colorway. I wanted something that didn't release from the foam runner line, but I just went ahead with get the black joint because you can beat up an all black shoe all day, especially one like this. If y'all want to see a full review and a comparison with the foam runner, let me know down in the comments below. Definitely run it up. I'll bring that to you. But I just wanted to go ahead and open these shoes because they've been sitting for like at least a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. I've been grinding it out, man, trying to get back to work, get my bread back up. All the money that I missed over these months, gotta re-up. You feel me? But yeah, so these have been sitting, but I was like, man, I gotta go ahead and do a review. Okay, so what is? Oh, you can take this whole joint out. Oh, I can't take it out, my bad. I still got it's laced up. So yeah, if you want to see me take this out without the laces and all that, let me know down in the comments. So yeah, First video back in a minute. Got the Fire Red 3s. OG, definitely needed to add these for sure. And then we got the ADIFOM Q, the triple black. You know, so yeah. Let me know what you think about the pickups. And like I said, if you want to see an in-depth review and a comparison to the actual foam runners, let me know. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching, man. We back. I'm definitely going to set a schedule so we won't go this long without another video. But yeah, I'll let y'all on the next one.